out where to locate the hottest spot for our next date. It seems like we've been everywhere, nothing to do, it's unfair. We've gone to the shops and amusement parks, had boba and all the accoutrement. I'm scrolling Yelp for the next big thing. Do you wanna go bowling? Excuse me, darling, can't you see that I'm trying to find something exciting for today? I guess we could just stay. But then you look at me and say, oh, I've got an idea. Let's hang out at Ikea. We could plan our future home or eat Swedish meatballs. We could run around for hours like it's better homes and gardens. It don't matter what we do, just as long as I'm with you. Okay, so first we can go to the restaurant. We can order whatever you want. Get some cake and mac and cheese with a side of lingonberries. Then we can stroll through the displays. Pretend it's like 500 days, but instead I'm here to stay. Oh darling, can't you see that whenever I'm with you it's exciting? So today, let's make this our escape. 1, 2, 3. I've got an idea. Let's hang out at Ikea. We could plan our future home or eat Swedish meatballs. We could run around for hours like it's better homes and gardens. It don't matter what we do, just as long as I'm with